the bag buka? This one is almost old. Some got big I don't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Prof Vlogs. We are back at Galang Patah Petronas. So this time around, as the title suggests, we are going to Chiang Mai. We are going to be doing the Mae Hon Son loop. So it's currently 12:33. We are planning to move off at around 1. We are waiting for Billy. He's the sixth biker. So we currently have 5 bikes with us now. So this is me and Mambuza. Prasan's NC.
Hi Prof Vlogs. Hi Prof Vlogs. Hello again.
Osha downgraded to NC 750.
Oh, it's upgrade.
Upgrade.
Downgrade in speed, upgrade in comfort.
Upgrade to family man.
Upgrade in comfort.
Oh yeah, that's true. We upgraded in comfort to NC 750. And then we have third NC, Bernard. A new face to the channel.
Oh shit.
Hi Bernard.
Hello. Virgin. Virgin.
And we have Ben in the darkness.
Right.
He has upgraded to a Z1000 SX.
Yes.
Are you playing around?
No, I'm trying to change my stuff. I'll go back.
So yep, currently we have 5 bikes here. Yeah, we're waiting for the 6th rider, Billy. So all of them, if you have watched my previous vlogs, they all were in my previous vlogs, especially the Phuket rider. Yeah, so Bernard is the newest addition, new face to the channel. So 6 of us will be going up to Hatyai today, and then from Hatyai we are planning to tow our bikes to Chiang Mai, and then we will be taking a flight to Chiang Mai, and then we will collect our bikes in Chiang Mai, and then from then we will be completing the Mae Hon Son loop. And when coming back, we did not plan to tow, so we will be riding back all the way to Singapore. So yeah, for today's vlog, I will be covering us completing the North-South Highway all the way until Hatyai. So please bear with me. Might be a 20 minutes video or a 50 minutes video. I'm not too sure how much vlogging content that will be usable, so bear with me. So yeah, we will be waiting for Billy, and then I'll try to vlog a bit, and then we'll move off lah. So stay tuned, we'll catch Billy. Billy has just arrived.
Yeah, sorry.
The final member. And
I
then
couldn't
we'll
connect this piece of shit.
We'll be gathering for a debrief, and then we'll be moving off at 1 lah.
It's me again.
It's Ben again, guys.
Yes.
Do you all miss him from the Phuket vlog?
Definitely. Remember me.
You shouldn't be speaking for them. Yeah, so final member is here. We'll be debriefing in a while, and then we'll be moving off. Hey, of course we need to talk about the formation and everything. Who's? Oh, sorry, yes, must brief. Sorry, we'll be briefing the start of the ride, and then we'll be moving off at 1 lah. So I'll be vlogging later. Catch you all then. Bye. Ready?
ฉันยังคงฝันละเมออยู่ยังฝันว่ามีเธออยู่ข้างกันที่ชายทะเลเราเต้นกันท่ามกลางหมู่ดาวเที่ยวไปทุกที่ก็ตามประสาของหนุ่มสาวแท้จริงตัวเราน่ะไกลแต่ใจอยู่ใกล้นิดเดียวคอย ไปช้าๆเธอไม่ต้องรีบมาแต่ว่าฉันเองจะรีบไปเธอเหมือนกับแสงไฟที่ไม่เคยจะดับแสนไกลก็ยังจะเจอ
The time is 3:26 right now. We are now at Ayakaro R&R. So we just pumped the Caltex. Yeah. 2 hours on the road.
Traffic. The traffic was very clear. No jam, no nothing. Nothing at all.
Oh shit. We were stuck in like some slow moving ass traffic for like 20 minutes or so. It was crazy. Like we were on the road shoulder squeezing with cars. So we were barely moving at like 10 km per hour or something. So there was like 20 minutes of that type of traffic. And okay lah, after 20 minutes then it started to clear up and then we were moving at like our normal pace. And 40 km into the right, Ben's bike started to dekid by itself. He had a windscreen extension over here, but when that flew away, I didn't see it lah. When of course I was the last rider, and then his top box had like a waterproof cover. And where is it now?
I got one more. Thankfully, but it's a smaller one.
One more.
I got one more.
Okay, thank God you got one more. Okay. So yeah, so 2 items flew off already. Hopefully no more. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna rest up for a while and then we're gonna move off to the next R&R, which will be after KL, most likely. See you then. Ciao. So Bernard just came out from the toilet and I want to go to the toilet, and he said that there was a lot of insects flying around. These are all the dead insects, and there's still a lot more flying around. So, oh my god, it's quite crazy.
Shield up, bro. Wear the hoodie.
Shield up. Yeah, I'm in the video here.
ทุกครั้งที่โลกฉันดูมืดมนเธอเหมือนกับแสงไฟที่ไม่ใช่ไฟประดับแสนไกลก็ยังเจอจะรักเธอคือพลังงานที่ฉันต้องการเธอคือไฟนำทางในยามวิกาล
So the time now is 5:15. We just reached R&R Rawang. There's a Petronas there and there's a Starbucks there. Not sure if the quality is good, but hi Ben.
Hi.
Yeah, so we just pumped our petrol and we are taking a pit stop. Probably we get something from Starbucks. Are we gonna get anything from Starbucks?
Nah.
Yeah, then probably
I'm
just
too poor for that.
Nope.
ฉันเป็นหนึ่งลมวันนอนที่โบกโชยมาเขาไม่สัมผัสผิวเธอยามเธออ่อนร้อยราให้รู้ว่าฉันอยู่ข้างๆเธออย่ากังวลนะที่รักขอโทษบางครั้งที่ค่อนข้างเลยขอบคุณที่เตือนเอาไว้ใน get too high ตอนไม่มีเธอฉันคงไม่สนใจใครปล่อยตัวเองเดินเข้าไปในความมืดมนปล่อยตัวเองเดินเข้าไปที่การแสงไฟที่ไม่เคยจะดับแสงไกลก็ยังเจอรักฉันนั้นเธอเพียงคนเดียวท่ามกลางความมืด
The time now is 8:22. We just reached Bukit Gantang Caltex. And we just pumped our petrol. And this is our second last stop before we head off to Bukit Kayu Hitam Caltex. How are you all feeling so far, Bernard?
Fucking tired, yeah. What is that really?
You, Ben?
Feels good.
Okay, going strong still. Really?
T-Max is the best bike ever, man. Love it. Should buy.
I was gonna sell it.
Yeah, I fucking love it, bro. Cannot overtake.
You need to take out Billy's listing already.
Yeah. No, man, fuck that shit, though. Need to promote that shit.
Yep, so once we move off from here, we'll be heading to the next and final. Oh my god, can you stop horning? Next and final pit stop, which is Bukit Kayu Caltex, where we'll collect our Thai insurance, and after that, we'll be heading to the customs and Sarah border. 'So the time now is 11:06. We just reached Caltex at Bukit Kayu Hitam. We've collected our Thai insurance, and we are now checking through all the details to make sure it's alright. And then once we have finalized everything is correct, then we'll make a move to the border. Yep. And one thing is Ben didn't.
He didn't make it.
Yep,
He didn't make it.
Where did you go, Prasad?
He went to Thailand straight.
Where's Ben?
He really at Vietnam.
Doing an ASEAN tour by himself.
He just went straight without turning left to Caltex. I don't know why. He didn't put maps as well, so.
We were playing Grab Race.
So his insurance is still with us, and we are gonna wait for him to come and collect lah. Then we'll make a move together. So see y'all then. See y'all at the probably next time I'll be vlogging will be at the towing place lah, because we'll be heading there straight. So see y'all there.
I see one location, I thought it was the location, I press nice.
Ben, I heard you went to Vietnam.
Yeah, I'm back now.
You were
Sorry?
about the VI.
Oh, VI, voluntary. So we just reached the towing place, right over here, and they are towing our bikes as I speak. Right over there, and we'll be loaded up into this truck. So once they load up our bike, we'll be heading to the cafe beside, get a free complimentary coffee. Yeah, and then after that we'll head back to Airbnb to check in, because it's 3:23 right now. The check-in time was 2 p.m. But due to the delay, there was a huge crowd at the border, so yeah, due to that, delayed a bit, and yeah, we won't be able to check in until 3 p.m. on time, so we'll be checking in later. Then once we check in, shower, I think then we'll probably catch some sleep and head out for dinner, or grab some dinner over. And I think that'll be it for day one. Stay tuned for day two, I guess. Then you got anything to say?
Running on how many hours? 30 hours of awakeness.
Awakeness.
Yeah, don't know how to put it. I can't think right now. Yeah, so sleepy.
Yeah, we need to catch some sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah. See y'all for day two.
See you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Go. อยากกอดเธออีกครั้งหนึ่งอยากจะลองเก็บไว้เท่าที่ได้ต คอยตอบกับคำ